Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It really helps the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this particular service. In this video, we're taking a look at getmaple.ca, an online platform that provides on-demand healthcare services. Accessing healthcare can be a hassle, often involving lengthy wait times and inflexible scheduling. Maple aims to streamline this process, offering virtual consultations with Canadian licensed doctors and specialists from the convenience of your computer or mobile device. Whether you're at home, at work, or even traveling, you can connect with a healthcare professional through their secure platform. This can be especially helpful for those in rural areas with limited access to local clinics or for individuals with busy schedules who struggle to fit in traditional appointments. The services offered through Maple encompass a broad range of medical needs, including prescriptions for common ailments, mental health support, and referrals to specialists. They also offer a wealth of resources and information on their website, empowering patients to take control of their health. While the specific services and costs may vary depending on your location and individual needs, the overall goal is to provide accessible and affordable healthcare. The platform emphasizes security and privacy, ensuring that your medical information is handled with the utmost confidentiality. Using the platform is designed to be user-friendly. You simply create an account, describe your symptoms, and are then connected with a doctor who can assess your situation. This can often be significantly faster than waiting for an appointment at a traditional clinic. Maple offers a potential solution to some of the challenges facing modern healthcare systems, offering greater flexibility and convenience in how we access medical care. I encourage you to explore their website, https://www.getmaple.ca, to learn more and see if their services are right for you.